Hi, this is Joe from howtoformanllc.org, and today we're going to form an LLC in the state of New Mexico. So the first thing that you want to do when you get to here is, well, first off, if you're watching this on YouTube, you want to hit the link that's in the description so you can catch up to us. And you want to first click on this button that says New Mexico LLC Search. And the reason why we're clicking this button is because the number one reason why a LLC gets rejected in the state of New Mexico is because someone will try to create a name that already exists. So you just want to do a search in here just to make sure that what you're doing hasn't been already registered and that's unique, and so that you won't get rejected. So then we can come back here. New Mexico has a paper filing where you have to fill out an application that is called an Articles of Organization. So we'll just click on that and we'll get to this state page where they tell you it's a $50 fee and a bunch of legal hoopla. And you get down here and we get to the actual part where we got to start filling in stuff. So Article 1, the name of the limited liability company is, type in the name. The period of duration, if other than perpetual, is. This is if you're from out of state or you're doing something where you're building a house and your company's only going to be around for, say, 6 months. It's not going to be a business that you think is going to be lasting, hopefully, forever and ever. So if it's just a normal business where you hope it lasts years, then you just leave this blank. Or type in perpetual. The New Mexico street address of the company's initial registered office is, you just want to type in the registered office right here. The name of the registered agent right here. By the way, if you don't know what a registered agent is, it's more or less a representative of the LLC. It can be the owner, but it doesn't have to be. It can be your attorney, accountant. It's just someone who answers for the LLC when the state sends notifications every year to renew, or if there's any kind of judgment against you, the registered agent is the representative who will be notified. So Article 4, the management of the business and affairs of the company is vested in a manager. That means that say this is a subsidiary of another company and this is going to be being run by a manager, you'd click this, but if you're watching this video, you're probably going to be owning this. Maybe, I'm guessing. So you want to click this right here, that you are the owner of a single member limited liability company. 6, effective date. This is where the first day of business is going to be. Date, signature of organizers, statement of acceptance of the registered agent, like we talked before. It's a very important role, and so they're going to have to fill in an extra signing just to, I think, clarify that how important it is. And that's it. So all you have to do is fill this out, print it out from your computer, attach a $50 check made out to the New Mexico Secretary of State, send it to the address right below that's right on our website I'm highlighting right now, and if you want a certified copy, add an extra $25. I believe New Mexico is actually the cheapest state to form an LLC, so you New Mexicos are pretty lucky. So if you want to apply for a bank account, you're going to need one of these EIN numbers, and what you do is you just click on this link, and the good thing about this EIN number is that it's free and it only takes about 5 minutes to get from the state. And if you have more than one member, or a member is an owner member, if you have more than one member, it's a good idea to get an LLC operating agreement so that you both have an agreement on what the ownership is. And that's it. That's how you form an LLC in New Mexico.